For me ha, tamisan ra ko sa iyahang kani, feeling niya. Another day, another kaon serye na sa da. And our food for today is from Pan de Manila. And this is their Pan de Donut. And guys, their donut is freshly baked and not fried. So, let's dig in. And this is their donut. Oh my god. So celebrate life's okay. Sweetness, freshly baked. So pretty. Look at this. So these are the flavors, guys. The choco, the almond. This one, I don't know. And this, I think this is the pistachio. I want to try this, guys. Eee, this one. Look at that. Perfect. First bite. Mmm. 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 Soft kayo ang iyang donut. So, this is the feeling. Ang feeling niya, more siya milky taste. For me ha, tamisan ra ko sa iyahang kani, feeling niya. Pero, lahi-lahi ba yata og taste buds. So, kung gusto mo nga, time is perfect ni ninyo kung ganahan mo yung anak. Pero ako is, tamisan ra ko, but lami ang iyang donut, kani iyang almond. Lami siya kay crispy sad ang iyang almond. And this one is pistachio on top. Guys, ang hunaw ko gahapon. Atong i-try ang iyang feeling lang. Tapos ba? Same sila feeling atong first na kung i-try. Sabi sa siya. Let's try it. Kung i-rate na ko siya, guys. Hoy, nag-rate na. 8/10. First, tamisan ng jud ko niya. So, ayan. So, if you want to try this, guys, available sila everywhere, anywhere sa Philippines. So, buyers!